By freelancing, we mean selling your time for money. This means that each week, you will dedicate X amount of hours to solve someone else's problem. Anyone having a problem and willing to outsource it represents a freelancing opportunity. But where to find freelance opportunities? In this video, we will present 10 freelance jobs that have the potential to earn you a full income, 100% work from home. But before to proceed further, you should know that this video does not replace your financial advisor. The ideas presented in this video are for entertainment purposes only. You, and only you, are responsible for the financial decisions that you make. Welcome to Professionals by Nature, where people find tips and advices about their career, personal finance, and college education. If you have not considered subscribing yet, click on the button subscribe and hit the bell for more content-related videos. Number 1. YouTube scripts writing. Building a YouTube channel can be one of your best freelance jobs to earn a full income, 100% work from home. Moreover, building a YouTube channel has never been as simple as it is today. So you might be wondering, why a YouTube channel owner will need to outsource anything if it's that simple? The answer is that a YouTube channel owner's priority is to focus on creating content. Any hour that could be saved from video editing, thumbnails creation, keywords optimization, and outplaying the YouTube algorithms is an extra hour that could potentially be spent on growing the channel and creating more quality content. To learn more about where to find video script writing freelance opportunities, we recommend you check the following websites. 1. Upwork.com. 2. Guru.com. 3. Fiverr.com. 4. Flexjobs.com. 5. peopleperhour.com. Number 2. YouTube video editing. Once the YouTube owner has recorded the video, starts the task of editing the video, adding animations, adjusting the volume, etc. First of all, you do not need to be technical at all. Most of video editing can be done using tools that are super user-friendly and free. Some of the tools you will need to do video editing. 1. iMovie. This is a video editing tool that comes with Mac laptops. Additionally, it's 100% free. 2. OpenShot. This is a video editing tool that you can install on Microsoft laptops. Additionally, it's 100% free. 3. InVideo. This is a cloud-based software, therefore does not need you to install anything on your laptop, unlike iMovie or OpenShot. This is great to keep your laptop hard disk light. It has free plan that will allow you to do a lot. The paid plan starts at $10 per month. To learn more about where to find video editing freelance opportunities, we recommend you check the following websites. 1. Upwork.com. 2. Guru.com. 3. Fiverr.com. 4. Flexjobs.com. 5. Freelancer.com. 6. peopleperhour.com. Number 3. YouTube thumbnail creation. Now that the YouTube video is recorded, edited and ready to roll out, one last piece is missing, and that is thumbnail. Thumbnail is the picture that you see when browsing for videos in the YouTube platform. There is a certain number of things to know before to design a successful thumbnail, such as 1. Having a quality of the picture. 2. Using a short catchy text that explain the idea of the picture. 3. Showing a human face picture. But don't worry, there's a tool that proposes plenty of free pre-made thumbnails templates that you can get inspired from to create beautiful thumbnails that get traffic. And that tool is Canva.com. Some of the tool you will need to create thumbnails. 1. Unsplash.com. This is a photo bank to get license-free pictures to use for your thumbnail creation. Additionally, it's 100% free. 2. Canva.com. This is a tool that you can use to design the thumbnail itself. The free plan will allow you to do almost everything. To learn more about where to find thumbnail creation freelance opportunities, we recommend you check the following websites. 1. Upwork.com. 2. Guru.com. 3. Fiverr.com. 4. Flexjobs.com. 5. Freelancer.com. 6. peoplepower.com. Number 4. YouTube SEO management. As any search engine, YouTube has also its own SEO rules to rank videos either up or down. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. This means that the title of the video, the keywords used for the video tags, and other video's parameters must be optimized if you want your video to stand a chance in the YouTube platform. And that's where you come into play. You can help YouTube channel owners set their SEO strategy so their channel can get more views and subscribers. To learn more about where to find YouTube SEO optimization freelance opportunities, we recommend you check the following websites. 1. Upwork.com. 2. Guru.com. 3. Fiverr.com. 4. Flexjobs.com. 5. Freelancer.com. 6. peoplepower.com. Number 5. Facebook and Instagram ads. Every day, business owners need advertisements to sell their products and services. These ads are in form of a text, a picture, and/or a video. It can be time-consuming for business owners to create and run these ads on their own. That is where you could propose your help. Where to find Facebook and Instagram freelance opportunities. You can either DM directly the business owners and propose them your services. Or you can go to marketplaces where freelancing opportunities are advertised, such as Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com or FlexJobs. If you have zero experience with Facebook and Instagram ads, we recommend you watch few YouTube videos or take a course or two on Skillshare or Udemy. Such courses will cost you about $10, but it is worth the investment, given the opportunities that you will have with such skills. Number 6. Coaching. Anyone has something to teach to someone, and you do not need to hold a PhD to do so. If you know one thing more than someone else, then you can teach it to that person and get paid for it. And if you feel being an imposter for doing so, just relax. It's a known syndrome, and you are not the first one. Focus more on providing quality coaching services. That will silence the doubts you might be having when proposing your coaching services. Hours Minutes 1-1 coaching sessions can be one of your best freelance jobs to earn a full income, 100% work from home. Where to find coaching freelance opportunities. You can either DM directly business owners and propose them your services. Or you can go to marketplaces where freelancing opportunities are advertised. 1. Upwork.com. 2. Guru.com. 3. Fiverr.com. 4. Flexjobs.com. 5. Freelancer.com. 6. peoplepower.com. Number 7. Proofreading. Proofreading is one of the final check steps that are performed on a text before being published. It consists of checking spelling, punctuation, capitalization, grammar errors, phrasing, etc. If you are wondering where you can find proofreading freelance opportunities, you can check out a website called proofreadingservices.com. Also, you can go to the most popular freelancing websites, such as Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, and Flexjobs.com. Number 8. Writing. You can provide your writing skills to write social media content. This is such in a high demand because social media owners are looking to outsource these tasks and free more of their time to scale their businesses. You can find writing opportunities with Verblio.com. Or you can head to the most popular freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com or FlexJobs. Number 9. Narrator. You will use your voice to read a book in order to transform it into an audiobook. This freelance opportunity can potentially become a passive income stream, as you can get paid by royalty. You can find Narrator opportunities with acx.com, or you can head to the most popular freelancing platforms, such as Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer.com or FlexJobs. Number 10. School tutoring. If you like teaching and working with students, school tutoring can be one of your best freelance jobs to earn a full income, 100% work from home. This is a great way to earn an extra income and help students overcome their difficulties at school. It helps you also stay connected to the school and university world and keep your skills sharp. Some fields are more in demand than others, such as science, physics or languages. But you can find school tutoring opportunities in almost every field. To find out more school tutoring opportunities, you can check out schooler.com, tutorm.com, tutor.com, wizant.com, or studypool.com. Number 11. Language teaching. If you are a native speaker of English, German, Spanish or French, you will find teaching opportunities all the year long. However, any other language in the world has a potential to find a learner. If we look at the East European countries, their economies are constantly growing, and therefore attracting more and more foreign skilled immigrants. For example, Poland has the largest economy among all the ex-Soviet Union bloc, with $585 billions, being ahead of Sweden, Norway, Denmark and Belgium. And because Poland is part of the European Union, and still providing a quite affordable cost of life in terms of renting, food, etc., the country became a relocation destination for skilled professionals, such as students, scientists, engineers, medical personnel, and digital nomads. These foreign immigrants will need to learn the Polish language, given the fact that not all of Poland speaks English. Especially if you go outside of the big cities, such as Warsaw, Krakow or Poznan. So even if you are a native of country with a small population, there is a financial potential to teach your language. Where to find language teaching opportunities? Here are our recommendations for language teaching platforms. Palfish.com, Vipka.com, Cambler.com, Teachaway.com, and QKids.com. If you would like us to cover other topics related to career, personal finance, and college education, please let us know in the comment section below the video. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please click on like button below the video and consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the bell for more content related videos. Feel free to check out our free resources by clicking on the link in the description below the video, so you can take your career and education to its best.